Why are Sundays better days for garage sales? Garage sales are some of the best things to grace the face of our planet. But what good is a garage sale if nobody shows up? Planning a successful garage sale is a multi-step process, but one of these crucial steps is making sure you choose the right day to host your sale. If you choose a date that nobody has open, you're just going to be stuck sitting around with your items all day long. Read on and we'll let you in on what makes Sunday a good day and other useful date picking tips. What makes Sunday so great? Truthfully, Sunday isn't universally a great day. It'll depend on where you live and what your community is up to on different days. Sundays in the suburbs, however, often a home run. Sundays are days where people often don't have much planned and are off work and/or off school. People that like to have an active weekend probably already did so on Friday and Saturday, and people who prefer the peace and quiet are likely out strolling around on Sunday morning anyway. This makes it a great day to set up and catch everyone who's around in the neighborhood, either strolling and whistling or recharging. Even people who leave town and travel are likely coming back on Sunday to get ready for the work week. Fridays and Saturdays are also very popular garage sale days too. And you should check if your specific community prefers these days to Sunday. If, for example, your entire block is at Sunday Mass during your garage sale, you probably won't see much action. Always check in with your community. What days aren't so great? You also shouldn't base your decisions solely on weekdays. For example, as much as the first nice weather weekend of the year seems like a great day to set up shop, you probably won't have much luck. Everyone is excited about this weekend, but they generally use it to go to the lake, go to the park, go hiking, or go anywhere that isn't near the neighborhood. In other words, they won't be nearby for your sale. For the same reason, it's good to avoid holidays in general. People have time off work and school, so they seem like a good idea, but they probably won't be home either. When they are home, they're busy hosting parties or barbecues to visit your yard or garage. You could spin this, however, and host a community barbecue alongside your garage sale. If you pull that off, hats off. Picking the right day for your garage sale can be tricky at first, but with some practice and research, you'll have it down in no time. Make sure to take care of other important prep steps, like advertising, pricing, and setting up properly. And long live the garage sale!